नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में 3 दिवसीय चलने वाले 11वें ग्लोबल लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल नोएडा 2025 के पहले दिन के तीसरे सत्र में म्यूजिकल परफॉर्मेंस का आयोजन किया गया, जिसने संगीत और कला का अद्भुत संगम प्रस्तुत किया। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ दीप प्रज्वलन और गणेश वंदना के साथ हुआ। इस अवसर पर डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, फेस्टिवल प्रेसिडेंट एंड चांसलर AAFT यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मीडिया, अनुपमा भारद्वाज प्रसिद्ध लेखिका, नीरज त्यागी कवि, मनोज अबोध प्रसिद्ध कवि, अनु सिन्हा प्रसिद्ध कथक नृत्यांगना, गीतांजलि जदौन प्रसिद्ध कवित्री एवं लेखिका सहित कई गणमान्य अतिथि उपस्थित रहे। कार्यक्रम में बुके भेंट कर अतिथियों का स्वागत किया गया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने कहा, संगीत वह जादू है जो दिलों को जोड़ता है और भावनाओं को जीवंत करता है। साहित्य और कला तभी पूरी होती है जब उनमें संगीत का भाव भी समाहित हो। कार्यक्रम में AAFT स्कूल ऑफ एनिमेशन द्वारा कन्वर्टेबल पिक्सेल्स, गेम डिजाइन, मैगजीन बुक कवर का पोस्टर, साथ ही रिमेम्बरिंग दी मैस्ट्रोस ऑफ इंडिया म्यूजिक का पोस्टर रिलीज किया गया। बता दें कि कार्यक्रम में AAFT स्टूडेंट्स ने ये दिल तुम बिन लगता नहीं, चाहूंगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, अभी न जाओ छोड़कर, अजीब दास्तान है ये जैसे गीतों की प्रस्तुतियों से दर्शकों का मन मोह लिया। उनके सुरों और भावनाओं ने माहौल को और भी जीवंत और मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया। कार्यक्रम के अंत में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने सभी अतिथियों को फेस्टिवल मोमेंटो और फेस्टिवल पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट देकर सम्मानित किया।
I'm really enjoying it, and I got to meet my friend again, Mr. Marwa Sandeep. Met him in Hyderabad, and he's got a studio for teaching movies and making films and stuff like that. So I've got the similar thing, but we don't have institutes to teach and do much. We have an open land which we just hire out, and people make their own film sets. And they make movies. So the biggest movies are made there because the biggest area in Hyderabad, it belongs to me. It's my family estate, and I'm now designated as the ninth Nizam by my family. It's not a position formally accepted by the government of India, but I'm the family's Nizam. So they've democratically. I love it. I'm just seeing half of it. I was called to do this, this interview on this camera right now. Otherwise, I was going through your exhibition. Till now, we were inside the auditorium where the inaugural was happening. So we had all the ambassadors of different countries, and I'm very lucky to meet the Spanish, ambassador, who's somehow he took a liking to me and has invited me. I'm so happy because there's a lot of things which happened in Hyderabad, which originated once upon a time in Spain. The dynasty, they married into the Hyderabad Nizam family. That's why I was talking about the Nizam, because Nizam's, last Nizam, who was the richest man in the world, his children, they married the last Khalifa of Islam, which was in, and they ruled Spain for some time. So he was Khalifa of Turkey, and their last daughter, only daughter, married my my uncle. So I'd rather say the seventh Nizam's son. So anyways, there's a connection. So I'm very happy I met people like that. And I met the Consul General of Oman, which I'm very happy to have met. And so there are a lot of books we're checking out, and I bought a few. And more than all that, again, back to Mr. Marwa, like I told you, I met him in Hyderabad. So I was thrilled to meet him here. I was on stage. I was told to light the lamp. And I missed going on stage because I came a bit late. So I was not on stage, but lamp lighting is the most auspicious Hindu custom. And I've got a PhD for bridging communities, especially like I organize Holi. I'm a Muslim. And I've been organizing Holi for the last 45 years for communal amity. So lighting a lamp is a symbolic Hindu thing. So I feel very, very ultra thrilled, being allowed to light a lamp, because actually it's a religious thing. A lot of people don't do it. They just do it as a ritual, but it's a religious aspect. So I was very happy to be lighting the lamp today.
The best part of this event is diversity and inclusion, because now the world after post corona, everyone is a global village now. So if we should not confine ourselves to the present world, we have to be like together and connected. So that's what Sandeep Marwaji is doing, and he's also the advisory board member of our organization, III Group. And today I came from Oman, and now I'm going to Chandigarh. So I feel like from airport directly coming here and getting that positive vibes everywhere. It shows that nobody, you might have seen in the event, from Cuba, from Panama, from Oman, from all the countries are here. Nobody felt that we are in other place.